Hello everyone, welcome to Banking Short Selection. Friends, I am Shivam Sharma. Previously I was in IDBI, now selected in Bank of Baroda. Friends, in this video we will do current affairs of 1 July as the daily GK update. If you want this PDF, I am providing my WhatsApp group link in the pinned comment of this video. Please join that group. वहाँ पे मैं क्विज़ेस भी लेता हूँ, वहाँ से आपको PDF मिल जाएगा. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. एशियाज फर्स्ट कंटिन्यूअस रेबार प्रोडक्शन फैसिलिटी लॉन्च्ड इन विच स्टेट? So it is in Punjab. So you must remember that Asia's first rebar production facility launched in Punjab. How many Chinese apps were banned by MITI under Section 69A of the Information Technology Act 2000? So 59 Chinese ऐप, जिसमें एक टिकटॉक भी है, ठीक है. एंड अंडर सेक्शन 69A ऑफ IT Act 2000, मस्ट रिमेंबर दिस. Which ministry will be known as Udyam with effect from July 1, 2020? So July 1, 2020 से MSME मिनिस्ट्री को उद्यम मिनिस्ट्री के नाम से जाना जाएगा. मस्ट रिमेंबर. एंड MSME मिनिस्टर हमारे जो हैं वो अभी नितिन गडकरी हैं, जिनकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी नागपुर है, नागपुर. नेम द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट convalescent प्लाज्मा थेरेपी कम ट्रायल प्रोजेक्ट which was launched by Maharashtra. So convalescent plasma therapy cum trial project launched by Maharashtra, and its name is Platina. So you must remember its name, Platina, and it is world largest convalescent plasma therapy trial project. So question can be asked in both ways, that Platina project of convalescent plasma therapy launched by which state? So it is Maharashtra. India's first plasma bank was inaugurated for COVID-19 treatment by which state? So it is Delhi, New Delhi. You must remember first plasma bank for COVID-19 treatment. It is New Delhi. It is done by ILBS, Institute of Liver and Brain Sciences. It is in New Delhi. First plasma bank. Council of Minister of which state has passed the MSME ordinance? Okay, so MSME ordinance passed by Assam. You must remember that Assam has passed the MSME ordinance. Now, Kill Corona campaign launched by which state? So Kill Corona campaign is launched by Madhya Pradesh. You must remember that it is the campaign to stop the spread of coronavirus. So Kill Corona campaign, Madhya Pradesh. UNFPA headquarter. So you must remember that UNFPA headquarter is in New York. New York. सपनों की उड़ान launched by which ministry? So सपनों की उड़ान launched by Ministry of Food Processing. Ministry of Food Processing, and Minister of Food Processing is हरसिमरत कौर बादल. Her constituency is Bhatinda, Punjab. So सपनों की उड़ान, Ministry of Food Processing. हमारा घर हमारा विद्यालय, it means our home our school scheme launched by मध्य प्रदेश. हमारा घर हमारा विद्यालय स्कीम by मध्य प्रदेश. Find the bank which has partnered with Swiggy. Swiggy is the food providing food delivery app actually. So find the bank which has partnered with Swiggy to launch industry first instant digital wallet, Swiggy Money. So Swiggy Money has been launched by ICICI. Swiggy Money, you must remember this. Now World Bank has given two loans to Tamil Nadu. One is Tamil Nadu housing sector loan. So it is of 200 million. ये 200 million का है. एंड तमिलनाडु हाउसिंग एंड हैबिटेट के लिए 50 मिलियन. टोटल जो लोन है वो 250 मिलियन का है, बट ये टू पार्ट्स में, एक हाउसिंग सेक्टर के लिए है एंड एक हाउसिंग एंड हैबिटेट के लिए. इसे आप याद रखिए. नाउ तुषार मेहता और ये को अभी एक्सटेंशन मिला है 3 इयर्स का. सो तुषार मेहता सॉलिसिटर जनरल हैं, आप याद रखिए, इंडिया के. एंड मिस्टर के वेणुगोपाल जो हैं अटॉर्नी जनरल हैं. गुडानी जोहानसन ये इलेक्ट हुए हैं, री इलेक्ट हुए हैं प्रेसिडेंट के तौर पे आइसलैंड में। आइसलैंड कंट्री है। गुडनी जॉनसन प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ आइसलैंड एंड आइसलैंड कैपिटल इज रिकजैविक एंड करेंसी इज क्रोना। आइसलैंड रिकजैविक क्रोना। चक्रवर्ती रंगराजन इनको अवार्ड मिला है पीसी महलनोबिस अवार्ड। पीसी महलनोबिस अवार्ड स्टैटिस्टिक में दिया जाता है, तो चक्रवर्ती रंगराजन को मिला है पीसी महलनोबिस अवार्ड। यंगेस्ट एम्पायर टू एंटर इनटू आईसीसी एलाइट पैनल, सो ही इज अवर इंडियन नितिन मेनन 36 ईयर ओल्ड, youngest empire into ICC empire panel, and ICC is headquartered in Dubai. Liverpool won Premier League Football 2020. So Liverpool is a club and it has won Premier League Football 2020. UN International Day of Parliamentarism 30 June. So you must remember that UN Day of Parliamentarism on 30 June and International Asteroid Day also on 30 June. Now next, which ministry has launched web portal for street vendor loan scheme PM Swanidhi? So PM SVA Nidhi, it is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. You must remember that Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has launched portal for street vendor loan scheme PM SVA Nidhi. Skill Connect forum to connect job seeker and employers launched by. So Skill Connect forum launched by Karnataka to connect job seeker and employer. You must remember that Skill Connect forum by Karnataka. Now static from current. Food processing minister, as I told you above, that it is Harsamrit Kaur Badal and her constituency is Bhatinda, Punjab. Next is National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management. So it is NIFTAM, National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management. Its headquarters in Sonipat, Haryana. Sonipat, Haryana. Nameri National Park. It is in Assam. Nameri National Park. It is in Assam. So thanks for watching. This was the video for 1 July. If you want the PDF, then get add to our WhatsApp group. I'll provide you PDF there only. And वहाँ पे मैं अपनी GA वीडियोस के बेस पे क्विजेस भी लेता हूँ। अभी हम अप्रैल की क्विजेस ले रहे हैं एंड सैटरडे तक वो ही अभी चलेंगी. So thanks for watching. If you like the content, please subscribe and share. Thank you.